I gotta winterize it, drain the tank, make it look nice. We are gonna start it up. Let's have some fun. And we're probably gonna spill a little bit of fuel, so don't be alarmed. There we go, now we got fluid and flowing. Sounds beautiful, doesn't it? One more little thing I gotta do is drain the carburetors. So these little pitcocks here, you unscrew them and you attach your hose to them and you can drain your carburetors. And we gotta do that to all four. Yeah, draining the float bowls too. One more carburetor. First time in years this hasn't just popped off right away, and it's probably because I left the fuel in it too long. Front brakes are custom machinist, so what you call floating rotors. That way when you heat them up really good, if they warp a little bit, it doesn't cause a shake. Retired race bike. She was raced last in 1992. The person who was racing her is named Chuck. How I ended up with it was one of my best friends bought it. We've known about this bike and been around it since we were 16. He bought it when he was 21. I've had it since I was like 25. It's been my friend forever, but it never gets to see the road very often. So I am selling it to the right person for the right price. So if you want to figure out how to get a hold of me or figure out how to let me get a hold of you, we can talk. Until then, I'm going to keep it because it's badass. Hey, that's going to conclude this small episode of Gear Auto Mechanical. We'll be back with you again soon. Peace out, like and subscribe and that kind of stuff. Leave me some comments. Tell me what you think about the motorcycle.